Good morning. Here we are. It's the day before Thanksgiving, and well, I've been home for a couple days, but I want to get loaded out so I can head out the day after Thanksgiving and be ready to rock and roll Monday morning, make a few drops, make some money. Gonna walk around the truck, make sure things are good. Now, if I never showed you this before, I've gotten real obsessive about my tire pressure. Thanks to these Crossfires here, I'm able to check them real easy every morning, 2 or 3 times a day. See here? Check that pressure, one punch. I'm checking both tires. It's all good, cuz. Like I say, I'm gonna go pick up some equipment and then come back home and enjoy Thanksgiving. I've got a truck I'm gonna pick up over in Longview, Texas. Then I'm gonna come right back to the house, or back home in Idabel, pick up a skid steer. Skid steer's going to Colorado Springs, Colorado. And the big truck I'm getting is going up over by Salt Lake City. Let's get rolling. Alright, so we made it over here to Longview, Texas. What's funny is I dropped off a truck over at the same location, Kenworth truck. Brought it here to get fixed up, and a few other guys brought trucks just like this over here at the same time. So that must have been one that the other guys dropped off. Well, they're all fixed up, and I'm taking it to its new home. That's pretty cool. Now I'm heading back to Idabel. I just picked up this skid steer. I got this thing picked up, loaded so quick I didn't have time to record anything. But there we are. Now I'm back at my little yard. And well, here we are. Go over how I tied this down here real quick. Someone had asked about, they'd never seen this before. What the purpose of that was. They're chocks, which they knew they were chocks, but they'd never seen it done before. It's another safety measure. Got one right there for going forward, and that one up there I've got for, no backward movement. I've got 4 chains on here, crisscrossing under there. Those pulling forward, those pulling backward. And then I've got another precautionary safety measure. Straps over the tires. Now, the skid steer, it's pretty easy, self-explanatory. Chain in the front, chain in the back. That one is slightly pulling backward, to the back. That one's pulling to the front. And then I need to have a strap or a chain over this bucket, but I just picked it up a couple miles down the road. Yeah, I should have a strap or a chain over this bucket. But since I picked it up just right down the road, them guys acted like they were in a hurry to get out. And honestly, I am too. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I'm going home. All my kids will be there. So It'll be a good Thanksgiving. Kids will be there. My dad will be there. So let's go home. All right, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Enjoy your time at home and think about them guys that didn't get to make it home. Later.